Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can change your keyboards on iPhone. First thing you have to do is unlock your phone, open the settings app, tap general, and then tap keyboard. Tap the add new keyboard button. Choose a keyboard from the list and tap on it to install. You can choose as many as you need. You are ready to use the keyboards of your choice. Now I will show you how you can switch between different keyboards while texting. Open your messages. Tap and hold the globe icon in the bottom left corner of the keyboard. Choose a keyboard from the list you wish. I hope this was a video that made your day easier. See you on another topic. If you liked the video, hit that subscribe button. Have a nice day. Bye bye.